Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Uber One subscription. So the first step is going to be here on the Uber app home. You want to click on the top right hand corner. You will see the little person icon. Then you want to maybe scroll down a little bit until you see Uber One. Go ahead and click on the Uber One section. Then once you are in there, you want to scroll down at the Uber One section here, then click on manage membership. Then with it to load, you should see at the bottom of this manage membership page, it should say end membership. Click on end membership and let's go ahead and click on what you want to do. It doesn't really matter. You want to click on this continue. Once you have clicked on continue, it will tell you a bit more. So it's going to give you a 90% offer, but if you want to end membership, just click on this end membership and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.